Removing or installing a transmission without the right equipment can be dangerous and frustrating. A heavy transmission can slip, damage vehicle components, or even cause serious injury during repairs. Today we'll review VEVOR Transmission Jack. Link in description box below. Working on a transmission without the right equipment can quickly become dangerous and frustrating. A heavy transmission can slip, become unstable, or even cause injury during installation or removal. Many DIY mechanics struggle with balancing bulky transmissions using ordinary jacks that simply aren't designed for the job. That's where the VEVOR Transmission Jack becomes a game-changing solution for garages and home workshops. With an impressive 1,322 pounds lifting capacity, this hydraulic transmission jack is designed for most passenger vehicles and light trucks. The foot-operated hydraulic pedal allows smooth lifting from 34.3 inches to 68.5 inches, keeping both hands free for positioning and alignment work. Its adjustable saddle tilts up to 30 degrees, making it easier to support different transmission shapes securely during installation or removal. In real-world use, the 360-degree swivel wheels make maneuvering effortless, while the locking casters keep the jack stable when precision matters most. Built from heavy-duty steel, it is engineered for long-term durability and repeated use. Pros include high lifting capacity, smooth hydraulic operation, excellent mobility, and solid construction. The only downside is that its size may be excessive for occasional users with very limited storage space. If you regularly perform transmission repairs or maintenance, the VEVOR Transmission Jack is a worthwhile investment that improves safety, efficiency, and confidence in every job. If today's product is useful for your car's safety, comfort, or daily use, you can check out the details from the link below the video. Click on the link to check the current price, discounts, and reviews. Subscribe to the channel to get more such useful automotive gadgets and top product recommendations. Thank you.